Greetings, my people. Still your person, Freedom Temple CYK Biafra. Remain blessed. Thanks for coming around. Thank you for passing by. My people, today, news what I bring for you today. Not good news, but you get what I want to talk before I put this news. I want to talk now before I put this thing. I been say I don't want to put this in. Now somebody actually call me, they talk to me. Say, man, I know worry about putting or what people they do. Actually understand the person. Because I know say anything what you do for this life, anything what you do for this life, no expect say everybody go do okay with that. Now be one thing we must know for this life, so that maybe when you do something, you see one person or two people or three people come say, hey, Chelsea, cause you do you that, make you not take you back, oh, make you know where you down at all. Just take and know, say before you do it, just know, say everybody must not like what I'm doing. Everybody must not comment you say you are doing well. No, it's never. If everybody they do you like this, you know, make you know, say nobody there with you. So once people come say like this, they happy. This will not be about me and they talk, but they affect me because now me they bring those things they come. Last time I put some news about make if you say we fit help some of these people when I put make you assist them. People with they creative, where they do something. Only for most of them to come they call me or they write me, they say some people where they expect them to help them, they tell them make them pay, go for account, pay 20,000, pay 50,000 before they can help them. Why are we doing this? That is why I say I don't want to bring all those news of help. As in all those videos where they put like people, children where they creative or people where they creative, we need sponsor. I can't put that make you sponsor, and if you fit with your free heart, with your goodwill, you go come the call and now. Person we need help, you call her. May you come bring money, may you come pay 10,000 or 20,000, may you pay the charge card before you go. I don't need that, I don't need those kind of call. If you not this kind of person, they my channel, may you better give way. You better give way. If I bring you anything out of your goodwill, help. If you don't want help, just leave them to go on with their life. Now we say go pay 10,000. Our person go give you 20,000, 10,000 before you go help her. Where did they do that one? Why you not no one change? I beg, this make you stop. If you don't want to help anybody, leave the person. Make you just deal with your life. They pray to God. One day that spirit go push and go where you go. In problem go they solved. Now say somebody assist person, you go tell me bring 10,000. You know they see people they help people, they ask them money. I bet not be this one why they talk help na help, any help na help. I know they discriminate help. You can help anything where you give person now from your mind. God see am. So any help na help. Even if it's no mindset say 100,000 na anger, but anything where you give person from your heart out of help, heaven don't accept them. No matter what you give that person, even if now your clothes you pull give her, you not give her money, na help. Heaven don't accept that. But not be say before you go assist somebody, you say me go pay money for account. Come pay money for account, they call you for phone, you know, come pick and call. Tell the which kind of team is this one now? I got a una but again una actually change. Una de uda una obi chuku. Una mo give le take him all distance in je me video na mo go ne camera no. Mmechekwa emetachakwa afu megide meche ndo ko nyezela onya aka ma obu ni inwe ike ina igwozi aje kwun ego ko na account ije na mo ego ne ka na before nse ha melu shootole video isi onya aje kwun ego na account before inyeli aka ina atancha enye nwe uche ogbaka achu ife na atata ye na achu ife na ebe ife na adro from the Fulani esmen ndị kabas lutas ihe ejeje gbuwa ya ọbụ ndị kwesị inye ki ikwesị ijeje gbute nye ki na ka ifro online internet business ju ebe niile ihe eje chonye ya apile ego die Dutch ego ni na Dutch ba blue na buy una mo na ekwesi imuchi ya back obulu nke nwanne na acho ka inye ne kinye ejije na onye obuna nwe uche. This news what they bring can give you now about the boy we use one or two objects, not be even one or two. That is, if you watch this video, you go wipe your head for ground. Wipe out, get up again. Not be more say assist. If I say assist, not be more say I say may give them money. They don't need your money. What do they need? Your help, as in link up anyway. Not be more say you fit. If you don't get any link up for them, just let them be. After all, then they leave even before I put the video, or even before they do what they do. When them bring her out, may you see. Most of all these people why they put, all these talented children or talented people why they put, all these creative people why they put, most of them they let me know say some people will call them, say they can sponsor them, they can help them. But need to go pay 10,000, 5,000. Why now? Why my people? I bet no be make they put them because you can't be like say now if you don't temple they want they collect money from their hand. Even me where they give them, how can they collect from them? I beg anybody where they run do those kind of runs, no they do no like it's not good. Not even sad, no, it's not good, it's very, very bad. People we need, you don't see all those politicians where go collect from them. Yeah? You can't be the people where they struggle, we need your help. Link up now. You know, be say no ask them for money, no give them money, or link them up. If na sponsor them for technical school or for that anywhere, or even fly them abroad anywhere where if you contribute, or they open anywhere where if you contribute for them. Maybe they put 1,000 or 10,000 for them. Not say you go say make them they pay 5,000 for your 10,000 so before you go help them, make them first go pay 10,000. Why now? Why it be like that now? People should stop all those kind of things. It's not good. I will stop putting them. I will just be putting my normal news where they put. Anybody will call me, I beg help me and put this online for me. I need help. I know what they put again. Because not be when I put finish now, you can't be say they call me again. Say you will call them to help them. If they say make them go pay money for account for you. Why now? Watch this boy we produce cat with this boy we do gem without fuel. We do gem without fuel. Now I bring come today. Wanna watch. Now they actually they persuade me, they beg me say make a help her. You do this generator. You know they use fuel or they give light. If anybody feel assist them with free mind, make una watch this news.
Move it, I don't front, me I forgot front. Front, no, me money and they show. Pineke. Now the money no one, no. Like you know, but what the people about to continue? And I didn't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to continue.
This is fuelless generator. It does not use diesel, no water, no engine oil. It can work as long as you want it. This is hot and this is fan. This is the generator. I on it like this way. we need a serious investor to bring this new technology to the masses, to the peoples. We need a technology that can help us to finance it in order for us to produce in mass quantity. This is it.
Front, me I forgot front. Front, no, me body I dey show. Chineke. Na le pele yan were wa no, nwa bi obre wa no. Ni Nigeria no but what the fuck about people to me ego. Ela di ni were go na Nigeria, so come ata people to me ego. Nwa le na le ngwa. Ela ga were go na ego. No ma ba were si pa aka na Nigeria ko si. Ora ko ba ko. Ni ni no to di me, ya o ma ta di ni gre ground. Ebe ahụ na-eme pushi n'ozuzu atụ pushi ga-elekwa lekwa ụmụaka ndị nwere akara akụrụ ga-eji ya wee nyere aka. Nna ịgbalịala nna biko isi nwere ebe onye ọsụ ke saịdị ebe ọsọ ọ Naijiria Imo steeti nna ebe ha bụ ogede pan nna ịgbalịala nne.
So my people, una don't see am. Now some people actually they beg me, say me I just talk about that. Una don't see am. I beg you, we get free mind or we get good heart. We want assist anybody where I say if you assist me assist. At all is not bad. Anything, your free will mind. As in anything we fit take, any way we fit take assist the person. Even if in education, even if in a sponsor, even if not be more say you must give them money. But if you wish, even if 1,000, 2,000, or yeah, take at least the material way they buy, they manage for now, and not feel connect you for big way. Make any use 500, take the buy material, at least where you see they buy, take they make this one way they make. To encourage as an encouragement. No me say you go call the person say may you go pay 5,000, pay 10,000, make it for connector or make it for putting name for people where they want go US go study. Which kind thing with that one? If you take like that for 20 people or 100 people, they don't give you how many? Almost 1 million naira or 10 or 100,000. What's happen? You will take poor people money. They take they drive Jeep, they drive Escalade, they drive Bugatti. Wetin happen? They drive G-Wagon. Wetin be this one now? Abeg, any way where you want to assist these people, abeg no dey take money from them. Give or show them way or connect them on the way they can study to empower themselves, to boost themselves. Obviously, we tell them, make them bring. Get good heart now. In here, again. When you know be chukula, onye ya eje loka iwe nwa obi chukwu ọnwa ndị nara eje ụka ivunu ha nwe obi ha ka mma karịa ndị na-eje ụka nwee nunu n'obi chukwu oive nna ya unu. Anyway, if you assist, remain blessed, stay cool, stay your person, Freedom Temple, CYK Biafra. We are one, still on our struggle, Biafra, the only way out. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time. Remain blessed.